Fine. Dude, I already know how to get out. I've already gotten out. Come on.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, there's something we need to find. Come on.
I have a wrench.
Oh, it's over here. It's over here.
I have a wrench.
Yeah, the box. I heard you say you had a wrench. We need to find a power box.
We need to find a box.
Over here. I think it's over here.
I've only gone past this level once before. So
Okay,
I know almost where to go. But
oh wait, hang on.
Something like that.
I've actually never been all the way down this. What's all the way down here? Oh wait, this is it. This is it.
Yo, where are we going?
Come on. I know where we are now.
Yeah. Over here. And then left, and then right.
Yeah, this.
And there's the power box. Yes.
Just you have to get that. But and now I'll show you where the exit is. Remember 9131. Remember.
9131. Yeah, I know. I've gotten to level 3 before. I've gotten level 3.
Okay, I know how to. Come on. Oh wait, no, I know how to get out from here. Let's go. No, this way. This way. Here we go.
I'm following you. Don't worry.
Okay. It's over here.
Dang, that was voice crack.
Yeah. Oh. Alright. There we go. Okay, watch the video. There's gonna be a video down here. You have to watch it.
I know.
Yeah, dude.
I know. I've seen. Like I said, I've gone this far before.
Have you ever gone in there?
Yes, I have.
Is it scary? Like worse than the last two?
I've gone to the furthest I've gone was where the monkey chases me, but then all my friends left me and I was sad.
Dude, I hang on. Are you okay with being on YouTube?
With being on what?
YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because I'm filming. Or I'm taking a video. I'm a small YouTuber, but yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant like I'm gonna watch you.
Oh, no.
Hello, YouTube.
Yep, say hi to the YouTubes. Or to the 60 people that are subscribed to me, so. Okay, I don't like this.
I only have like 14 subscribers.
Oh, what's your channel?
Super Yoda, like 552.
Okay.
Like that.
Go sub to Super Yoda 552.
Yeah, it's something like that. I'd have to check, but yeah.
I kind of lost you.
Where'd you go?
I'm in that room where the first button was. Oh, there it is. There.
What?
Over here?
Yeah. Have you never been this far?
No, I have never gotten this far. What the?
Someone's actually here.
Monkey?
I think someone would actually find me down here. Well, you're not a monster, are you? Oh my god.
So he's the monster.
I'm just paranoid.
He's like,
back from where you came from,
scary
I could hear
monster.
sounds, and at one
Make
point
sure not
a
to
really
die.
loud bang on the door,
And he's the
I was just
monster.
really scared that something would come find me and kill me, but, well, nope, I'm still here and I'm still stuck. The last thing I can remember is that alarms blared, employees started to run, and I could see what a monster, or whatever that creature is. I call it a monster because it looked horrifying. You do not want to see what it looks like. Just stay careful around these parts, I guess. I don't really know. Always watch your back, because you never know what could be around here.
Did the door open up yet?
What door? That one?
Door's open behind you?
The one
I
over
don't know,
there.
man.
No,
I wouldn't
this
go
was
in there. But
over here.
you do?
Oh, yeah.
He's gonna be like, whoa, did that door? He's gonna be like, whoa, did that door just open up?
Yeah, alright, let's go.
Alright, let's go. Run as fast as you can.
See, I suck at running, so.
Run!
No. Let's go. Show me where I go.
I just got stuck.
Oh, I found it. Oh, I'm doing it. Oh, I'm getting past. Oh. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? No. Bro, where did you go? No. I don't want to do that alone. No. Where did you go? Are you in the chase scene? Man, I gotta take a break. I actually gotta sit down. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Where are you?
Bro!
I made it to the really wide hallway. That really wide hallway, I made it there.
Yo! I just had a heart attack. I thought he was so far behind me. And I checked and then he's right here. He's right as close as you are to me.
I took a left. I took a left at one point. There was a gate, so I went the other way. I saw him. He was like an arm's length away. Like, not kidding.
Wow.
Not kidding. Arm's length away.
He's so fast. It's so hard
I
to
know,
avoid.
dude. I gotta stretch my arms. That sounds weird whenever you're running.
Thing. Yo. Oh my God.
Let me stretch my arms.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Do this. Together.
Let's go.
Go.
Dude.
He got me through the wall. He got me through the wall.
Okay, I'm just gonna follow you because clearly me going first does not work.
What?
Clearly me going first does not work. Because I don't know where to go. So you've actually gotten past this? I juked him! I juked him! Oh, I juked him! I juked him! I juked him and now I don't know where I am and I don't know where he is. Crap, he can go through walls. Jeez. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. Yup. Bad. But he's stuck.
Yep. Monkey, why are you chasing me? Why do you want to? Why? Stop. Bro. Oh, why? Where are you? Where'd you go? You made it to the exit? Alright, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to remember the path. Juke him! I juked him. Bro, can you come back? Hey, White, can you come back, please? Okay, fine, I'm gonna keep trying to outrun it. Okay. Hey, monkey. Oh my gosh. Monkey, please. Be nice. Okay, be a good monkey now. Be a good monkey. Be nice. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Dude. Okay. Okay.